Hey girl, it's Sonia and welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to be sharing a huge Target haul, and I've been trying to do this haul for like 2 days now, so I'm hoping that I can power through this video. Now, if I can get some encouragement, please give me a thumbs up, and if you'd like to see more hauls like this one from Target, make sure to let me know in the comment section down below. And if you have yet to join my little familia, my family here on YouTube, make sure to hit that subscribe button now, and let's get into it. I have a lot to show you guys, and I feel like shouldn't I just get like the best out of the way, especially because I feel like a lot of people just watch like the first 2 seconds of a video, and if you're like, it's not really that cute, or I really don't feel like waiting 10 minutes to see like the good stuff, let me just show it to you now, okay? And for me, it would have to be the shoes. I have 4 pairs of shoes that I want to show you guys. One of them I've already worn, and it was yesterday, so I mean they're still brand new. It just looks like I walk like a gorilla, like dragging my feet around and stuff. They're white. Let me show you. Hold on. These ones new. These ones, yeah. These are so stinking cute. I didn't see them in any other color, but you guys know I love a good platform. I am 5'6", 5'7" on a very confident day, and I'm not afraid of more height. So this is like a thick platform on a canvas tennis shoe. It also has like a side zipper access here. I absolutely love this design. They were super comfortable, and I don't know if they have half sizes, I don't remember, but this is a size 7 and I am a true 7.5, and these fit perfectly. So I would say if you're a half sizer like me, I would go down. I love them. A list to everything will be down in the description box below. It just is helpful for those of you who are going to be shopping online, or maybe even doing like a Target pickup just in case things are sold out in store. I personally love to do that because I just know that someone's going to go look for it for me, or I'll call and say, hey, do you have this? Just order online. Next up, another pair of shoes from Universal Threads. These are the Magnolia Heels wedges / wedges. And these also have memory foam, so I'm like, okay. It's important. Not because I'm like almost 40, but maybe that's why. Look at these beauties. I think they're so cute. Naming them the Magnolia was probably like the most perfect name I could think of, because these are very, very Magnolia, if you get my drift. These are a size 7.5. and these were $34.99. Typically with slide-on mules or sandals like this, I would go up size, but I tried on both an 8 and 8.5, and they were just way too much room. So these were perfect. So perfect 7.5 is where it's at. I got another pair of sneakers. They look like this, and these also have a little bit of a platform. They remind me of my Converse that I miss so much, but y'all know why I don't wear Converse anymore. Even though I was kind of like, the Lord is always with me, right? I'm the worst, I know. Don't listen to me. These were $29.99, and I got them in black and white. They have other different shade variations, so if you want like a nude or really light brown, maybe tan and white combo, they have those as well. Those are really cute, but I was like, eeny, meeny, miny, mo, which one will I wear the most? And it's gonna be these ones for sure. I did get them in a size 7, so like the other tennis shoes, I would go down to the next full size. These are from a brand called Mad Love, and they are hanging on the wall. So if you guys are not going to be shopping online, they will be hanging next to like all the sandals and slippers and things. So check that back wall. And last but not least, I got another pair of shoes from Universal Thread. These are boots this time. These are also in a size 7.5, and they were Elaine Boots. They have memory foam. Is that a thing for Universal Thread? Is that like across the board all of them have memory foam? Because it is genius. I ended up purchasing 2 pairs of shorts, and I don't know if I'm just gonna, you know, make a U-turn and go return them. You guys let me know if any of this stuff should stay or if it should go. Look, they look like they have like tagging all over them. Tagging, that's such a Azusa thing for me to say, but like graffiti or like handwriting, like this is what you would see on like a notebook. And I got these in a size 8 because typically in all things Wild Fable in like the juniors department, I'm a size 8. And these are high-rise Bermuda shorts. Please, Lord, I hope that these will fit my waist because they're looking a little bit snatched on the top. and they kind of balloon out a little bit. So these shorts here are highest rise mom shorts in a size 8 as well, and they just have like some thick cuffs at the bottom. Hopefully you guys can see that. Let's see what else do I have here. I also bought myself some new sheets. I recently bought sheets for my son. I think the sheets I bought for my son were probably more expensive than even these, because I was trying to get him to sleep in his own bed, which he is now 100% sleeping by himself. I do share a lot about like our experience at school and Jude's anxiety and things like that. So if anybody's wondering, that's why he was still sleeping in my bed, is because he has really bad separation anxiety from me. I love him. He's getting older, but then also he sleeps like an alligator. Like if you were to put a blanket on top of an alligator, flip it around, like that's how he sleeps. And then I never sleep. So when he sleeps in his own bed, your girl is getting at least 3 hours of sleep. Okay, I know that's a lot for me. I bought myself some new sheets. These are 500 thread count. I wish I could get sheets that were like 1,000,000 thread count, but not $1 million, because sheets are expensive. The higher the count, the softer they are and the more expensive they are. I want to say that they were still pretty pricey. I'm just hoping that they are just as soft as my son's. I have to check to see what brand I bought him, because his are the bomb. When I wash his sheets, I'm like, I want these. I also got 2 products from Revlon. They came out with a new one. It's called the Revlon One Step Volumizer Plus. It's supposed to dry your hair even faster than the other one. How much faster is it gonna get? And then also the cool thing about this one in particular is that the head detaches, so it's easy for you to travel with, which I absolutely love. I also saw this one on TikTok, so I'm interested in using this one as well. This is the Revlon Pro Style Volume That Lasts Heated Silicone Brush. It's a 1-inch silicone bristle barrel, and I'm kind of scared about the fact that it's like silicone. To me, it sounds like it's going to be like too rubbery on my hair. It's going to get caught even quicker than a regular 1-inch bristle brush, which I would never put in my hair, because I feel like the texture of my hair would get stuck immediately, catch fire, and then that would be the end of me, okay? I'd be a baldy and you guys would be like, what happened? And I would be in my mansion after suing that. Never mind. Anyway, I would have the baddest wigs on the street. I'm just saying. There's a positive part to everything, okay? I also have like a bunch of other random things that I purchased, like gloves for my son to help me with the chores around the house. I mean, he's gonna grunt and groan, but he needs to learn these kinds of things so he can help his wife or his partner when he gets older, okay? So we got gloves, and I have sponges that we always keep on deck. I also have some like period stuff. I mean, I feel like 90% of my audience is women anyway, so if y'all know what it is, that time of month, we always seem to run out right when we need it. You're like reaching behind you and it's like an empty box. So I keep them stocked, always. Even when I'm on my period, I still have products. Like I go and get one if I see it, just to have them, because I never want to run out. I don't wear tampons, so I'm sure I've shared that with you guys before. These ones here are from a brand called This Is L, or L brand. I'm not really sure how to say that, but these are organic cotton tampons that I got. These are for my niece. I just like to stock her up as well. Pads from the Honey Pot, so we have the liners and then the regular flow liners, because I believe, yeah, they have liners, regular, super, and overnight. I've used the overnights, but those are humongous. They're like mattresses. If you're bleeding to death, like that's great. You should probably holler at those. But for me, I just need like maybe, I don't know, like 3 days worth of liners. So three liners a day for 3 days. That's all I really need, because I don't bleed very much. And then some liners for a couple days after, because you just never trust it. Along with my new tennis shoes, I had to get some like no-show socks, or some really like close to the ankle socks. Peds All Day Active, just black and white socks. I also got some Q-tips, and I just like to clean my ears like from the water inside. Also like makeup, because when I do contour, I kind of brush it into my ears, or foundation. So I like to clean my ears out. I always get like really self-conscious thinking that people who are sitting next to me are looking in my ears, because I'm the kind of creepy person that will be looking inside of your ears. If you're ever around me, please clean your freaking ears, because I'm gonna be like, oh. The pink ones are for my niece, and then these ones are for me. I also got this Down There wash for my niece as well. Did you guys ever have like a conversation with your mom, like your mom telling you you can't use regular soap for your chucha? Like you can't use the soap for every part of your body? I was never told that. The Lord was with me. Thank goodness I've never had an issue with like, you know, the thunder down there. It's from a brand called Good Wash. They had other scents to choose from, but this is the one that I chose. And for my son, because it's important to talk to them about their stuff as well, my son recently had like a little, like almost like a diaper rash. Obviously he doesn't wear diapers because he's older, but he had like a rash down there, and it could be from a number of things. Just like, obviously he's half animal because he's a little boy, but just like not washing yourself properly or not drying off properly. So these are the kinds of things that you should be able to talk to your children about. So I also got him a light, gentle wash to wash down there. This is the Baby Dove Sensitive Skincare Hypoallergenic Wash. I also got him, what else did I get in my hand here? Oh, I also got him the Clean and Clear Night Relaxing Deep Cleaning Face Wash. It's also oil-free. You know, these kids are wearing masks here in California all day long. My poor honey bear. He's like in that age where it is on. I feel bad for all the high schoolers who are having like acne. Okay. And then he also has a shampoo and conditioner, because I'm like, you're a kid, right? Kids just use like an all-in-one wash. No, since his mom's an influencer, he sees my whole like pharmacy of things in my restroom. He's like, what about me? Like, I haven't been washing my hair because you only gave me a body wash. Like, boy, what part of 16 in 1 didn't you get? Like 16 purposes, like you can do everything with it, right? Guys, you can wash your face, your butt, the countertop, the no? Oh, my bad, my bad. I also got some backup toothbrushes. So here's a pink pack, and then I also got this green pack. I have these like underneath the sink, so if someone comes over and just so happens to stay the night and doesn't have anything prepared like for staying over, I always have like extra stuff, like underwear with tags, pajamas with tags, and I have new toothpaste and new toothbrushes readily available for anybody that needs it. I've got backups, and they're only $1.99. I also got my niece some body wash. I spent a lot of time in the beauty section smelling all of the body wash, and this is the one that I favor the most at that moment. And this is from St. Ives. This is a refreshing body wash in the scent Rose Water and Aloe Vera. I got a hand wash from Method. First of all, I love the packaging, but the scent, it smells like something I've never smelled before. I was really, really impressed with this collection period, because they had a lot of like very like sensual scents, not just like lemon or whatever your hand wash would smell like typically, you know? Can't even pronounce that, first of all. And amber, it's a plant-based cleanser, so I'm like, okay, well, it's Method, so that's to be expected, but it smells so good. I also got a few different deodorants, and it's because I got some for my nieces, and then I also got one for my nephew. This is the Old Spice Deep Sea with Ocean Elements. I love the Dove for Men. I think it's Dove for Men Sport. It's like a green label. If I can think of it, I'll make sure to include it on the screen. That one smells really good, but it's always sold out, so I ended up getting this one from Old Spice. I tried this one from Dove. It's called their 0% aluminum, and honestly, it made my armpits feel sticky or like moist, like stay wet. They never stopped feeling the way that it did when I first applied it. So I'm gonna have to try it again to see if that would go away. I don't know if I was like already sweaty and I put it on and it wasn't able to do its job. I don't know, but my first impressions of this one in particular, I didn't like it. The scent is really nice. It's called Coconut and Pink Jasmine. So it's really pretty, but I just didn't like the way that my armpits felt. I got the girls these ones from Secret. This is the Secret Rose 48-Hour Invisible Solid, and also the Water Lily, which is my favorite. This one's really, really pretty. I also tried one from Dr. Teals. It was a deodorant that was in the scent of rose and milk. That one smells amazing. I also got the lotion, the body lotion, and it smells so, so pretty. I wish it was a fragrance to either diffuse in the house or to spray on my body because it smells that nice. The Milk and Honey is just as nice as well. But the deodorant was so chalky that I felt like, not chalky, but like waxy, that it felt like I didn't, it was hard to like get it onto my armpits. I don't know if I had to warm it at first, but it was too much work. So that one's definitely gonna have to go back. I didn't even want to show you guys that because I honestly just did not like it. Along with that Method hand soap, I saw that Olay also came out with some new hand washes, but I honestly was like so excited about this one, and I already had it in my cart, so I'm like, okay, I can't get another hand wash, but maybe the next time when I run out, I'll holler at the Olay one. But I did want to try out their hand mask. And I think the last thing that I have to show you guys would probably be this guy, and it was an item that I found in the dollar section or the bullseye section. It's usually like $1 to $5, and this one was $5, and it's a mixing bowl. I believe it came in white, pink, and red, but honestly, when you're cooking a lot, it makes sense to have the little lip here, so when you're pouring it into, maybe you're making like cookies or a cake and you want to pour it into like little cells, like cupcake dishes or what have you, this is like the best situation ever. It also makes for a really cute gift, so if you have something like this, you can put a cake mix, a little spatula, and maybe like a little tub of frosting, and how cute would this gift be? And it would be under 10 bucks. Super, super, super cute. So just a little gift idea. And that's it for today's haul. Hopefully you guys enjoyed hanging out with me today. And if you did, let me know in the comments down below or give me a thumbs up. And if you have yet to hit that subscribe button, I urge you, please, I beg you, please, if you want to. I mean, no pressure. Hit that subscribe button now. Take care, and I hope to see you guys in the next one.